Ever wanted to break down your monthly data into hourly insights to reveal hidden daily trends? Let's dive into Tableau and transform monthly figures into hourly data. Unlocking a whole new level of analysis. First, connect Tableau to your data source containing the monthly data you want to convert. Next, we'll create a calculated field. Go to Analysis in the top menu. Then select Create Calculated Field. Name it something descriptive, like Hourly Estimate. In the Calculation Editor, enter this formula: monthly value / deciment date. Field 20 for replace monthly value with the actual name of your monthly value field, and date field with your date field. This formula divides the monthly value by the number of days in that month, determined by the deciment function, and then further divides it by 24 to get an hourly estimate. Now, drag your newly created hourly estimate field to the row shelf and your date field to the columns shelf. Right-click on the date field and select R and ensure it is a continuous field. Tableau will now display your data in an hourly format, allowing you to visualize intraday patterns and trends that were previously hidden when viewing the data monthly. You can further refine your analysis by using filters to focus on specific days or time ranges, uncovering even more granular insights. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to transform your monthly data into hourly insights within Tableau.